Hi, Shayla with WTI, and I want to show you why I'm so excited to have a new bathroom drain. This WELSAN Bathtub Drain Kit is a tiptoe single hole style, and we do have it in the matte black, and it is beautiful. It's exactly how I wanted it to look. We are converting all of our fixtures from old chrome to matte black, so it's beautiful. It's perfect, exactly how I wanted it to look, but also so easy to use. It is a push to open and push to close, so you can use your fingers, your toes, whatever you need. And I have fallen in love with not only how durable and high quality it is, but my husband was so happy with how easy to install. So it is a universal fit, so you're able to use two different sizes, if whichever one you need. And he loved that it just went in so easy. And like I said, it's so durable. It is not going to scratch and it's not going to rust. It's solid brass and stainless steel, so it is gorgeous and very functional. And as you can see, it's doing its job. It's holding the water when you need it to, but it is also draining. So overall, we're so happy with this. It comes with everything you need in the kit. It is beautiful, it's functional, and we could not be happier with how this drain kit actually works. So whether you are needing to install or even just replace your tub drain, I would highly recommend this WELSAN Tub Drain Kit, and that is my point of view.